Hello, my name is Futtings. The most requested thing in Tribe is to have an audience. And believe it or not, it's now possible. Let me show you how. So the audience will be in another metaverse called MYX METAVERSE. So what you need to do is to start making recordings for MYX METAVERSE that will be implemented beside the DJ decks. And they will look awesome. How to set it up? It's very simple. Go into the Visuals menu and click on Chroma. Then Key Backwall, Hide Room, Hide Table. Right now I'm using the front cam, but what I need to do is to turn my selfie cam into a front position like the front cam, but more in front of me. So front cam, selfie cam. Front cam, selfie cam. Last thing I need to do is to hide the decks. And right now I'm ready to start my recordings. Also, it's best to record the audio separately inside Tribe, so you always have a backup and a clean sound. After recording your mix, I'm gonna show you where to send those mixes. Let's go! To submit your mix, go to mixmetaverse.com and click on Mix DJ. Click Submit Mix and then click Select. Follow these steps and yes, it is free, as well as the app itself that runs on standalone Quest 1, 2 and Quest Pro. To install Mix, go to mixmetaverse.com and click on Get Mix. Click on Download and the Oculus homepage will open. Follow these steps and the installation will be ready to install inside your VR headset. Have fun!